Got a jar of peanut butter? Perfect. Then you can whip up this easy, delicious peanut pasta salad. Now mine happens to be in a kimchi jar because it's homemade and I love David's vegan kimchi. Scoop some out, then add soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and maple syrup. That's already a great base. But if you want to have extra flavor, toss in some grated ginger, garlic, sriracha, and a splash of pasta water. Mix it all together into smooth and creamy. For the veggie choice, go crunchy. Cabbage, carrots, onions, slice, chop, or julienne them, however you like. Once pasta is cooked, we can assemble the salad. Pour over the peanut sauce, give it a good toss. Now you have a creamy, crunchy pasta salad, packed with veggies, perfect for sharing or keeping all to yourself.